Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the reverse paid parking. First, we need to pick the box up. I put the water bottle into that box there. So this is where we're parking. Before we do the parking, we have to do certain things. We need to do about three, four different things. First thing, pick the box up. Second, you need to go close to the center line. If you see the center line there. So if you put my car into the first gear, look around. Observation, no one's coming anywhere. So we go close to the center line. So I have to pick the fourth box up. So that's the first. Second, keep on going closer and closer. And that's my fourth box, which is just here. So that's my fourth box. So I need to put my wing mirror. I'm close to the center line, as you can see there, car right next to it. Wing mirror the line should be under the wing mirror, which you can see there, line under the wing mirror. So that's the fourth box if I take the gear out. So that's the first box, second box, third box. And that's where the bottle is, fourth box, and this is where I'm parking now. So reverse gear again, observation all around, making sure everything is okay around us. And then I need to concentrate on the wing mirror now. So if you want to be more perfect, you can put the wing mirror a little down, full turn to the left, observation, quick look around, and that's the fourth box we're parking. So that's the first, second, that's the third, and the fourth box is there where you can see the bottle there. So if I can have a look there through the wing mirror, I can see cars going nicely inside the box. I can see the bottle there as well. So I just need to make sure car inside the box nicely. I can see on this wing mirror my car is going inside nicely there as well. So keep on looking and keep on going. As soon as I see the lines straight, which is just about now, I need to stop the car, take the turn out, look around again one more time, and now I need to park inside the box. So what I need to do now is reverse. After looking over your shoulder, keep looking. My front door handle should be touching the curb, the back line there, the white line. As soon as the front door handle touch, I will stop the car. Looking on this side, there's a nice gap there. So if I look on this side, there's a nice gap on this side as well. So I'll just switch the car off, go out to have a look if the parking's perfect or not. So if I can look there, there's a nice gap in between there. Nice gap on this side. The examiner does ask you four wheel touching the inside the box. So they're all four wheels inside the box now, from the front and the back, and we're happy with the parking. Right, hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you, bye.